Today I'm going to show you how to set up, calibrate, and operate the HI9147 Portable Water-Resistant Dissolved Oxygen Meter. Now, measuring dissolved oxygen, or DO, is important in a variety of applications, including aquaculture, beverage analysis, wastewater treatment, and water quality. The LCD display will show all of its segments and then indicate the battery life. Since this is a galvanic probe and meter, once the message disappears, you're ready for calibration. Keeping the probe facing downwards is normal. Hold the probe in air over a sample of water, but don't submerge it. Alternatively, you can fill the protective cap with a few milliliters of water and place the probe inside, over the water. Don't submerge it again. Also, don't forget to dump out the water when finished. Press the cal button. Adjust the slope trimmer on the bottom of the meter to 100%. Press cal to confirm the 100% calibration. And now you're done. Be sure to put the protective cap back on in case it'll be a while until your next measurement. Before we go, I'll show you how easy it is to take a measurement. First, you want to make sure that your meter is calibrated. And then, you want to set your units. The reading can be displayed in percent saturation or milligrams per liter, which is parts per million. Press the appropriate button here and here. You can set the temperature display in Celsius or Fahrenheit here. In shady or darker areas, feel free to turn on the backlight using the BL button here. Now, if you are measuring salt water, you will need to press Sal to set your salinity value. Use the arrow keys to modify the coefficient, then press Sal to lock in the value. If you are at a higher altitude, you'll need to consult the table in your manual for your altitude correction factor. Find your altitude and add its corresponding factor to your salinity value using the Sal button again. Since this is typically a field meter and we're not in the field, we'll be using a magnetic stir plate to stir our sample. Now, remove the protective cap and immerse the probe in your sample. Remember to submerge the temperature sensor too. That's important. Again, you want this sample to be moving, so swirling or using a stir plate is necessary. The DO and temperature values are displayed on the LCD.
Today we're going to test the color of water with the HI727 color of water checker. The first thing you do is zero the instrument. So you fill a vial with 10 milliliters of deionized water. This is your blank. Put the blank in the checker and press the button once to zero it. When the meter says C2, you're ready to measure the apparent color. Remove your blank, and you fill the next cuvette with 10 milliliters of your sample water. Put your sample in the checker and press the button again to take the measurement. Record this value. Remove your apparent color sample and press the button twice to restart the meter.